Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the WooCommerce Abandoned Cart Recovery plugin by Theme, one that helps you track and recover lost sales from abandoned carts. First, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Then go to Plugins and click on Add New. At the top of the page, click the Upload Plugin button. Now, choose the plugin.zip file from your computer and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin, and you're all set. The plugin automatically detects abandoned carts in two cases: when a customer reaches the checkout page and enters their email but doesn't complete the purchase, or when they fill out the email or phone number in the pop-up form. Set a period, for example 30 minutes, to define when a cart should be considered abandoned after no further action is taken. Once a cart is marked as abandoned, it will be listed under the Abandoned Cart section. In the admin dashboard, you'll see a full list of abandoned carts, with customer info, cart contents, timestamps, reminder log, and customer's IP. You can quickly preview cart details, send reminder emails manually, export data into a CSV file, or even delete the records. Another way to clear records is to set up automatic cleanup after a certain number of days using the Delete Abandoned Records feature. Next, you'll set up your recovery emails. You can create multiple email templates, include dynamic content like customer name, product details, and coupons using shortcodes. To design an email, drag components like text or image from the left panel into the editor and customize them using the right panel. You can also rearrange them easily. Enable the Use Coupon option if you want to offer discounts and insert the coupon shortcode into your text. Don't forget to send a test email. In the Email Settings tab, you can configure some other options for the email, like how prices, VAT, and other details are displayed. Once your email templates are ready, set up your sending rules. Enable sending to members and guests, set the reply to address, and add rules to define when each email goes out and which template to use. Each rule lets you define when to send the email. For example, 30 minutes after a cart is abandoned, and which template to use. You can also send emails manually from the Abandoned Carts dashboard. You can recover on hold, pending, failed, or canceled orders too. Just like with carts, set rules for timing and templates, but here you also need to choose the order status. To send reminders manually, enable the Show Abandoned Order options in Admin Order option in the General tab, then go to the WooCommerce order list and trigger the email from there. The plugin integrates with third-party email marketing services like Brevo, ActiveCampaign, and GetResponse. Let's try with GetResponse. Once you get the API, speak via the email list, And collected emails are synced to your audience lists. This is for list building only, not for sending recovery emails through those platforms. You can also add emails to those platforms by importing a CSV file, which most email services support, and our plugin lets you export collected email data as a CSV file. Now let's look at how to enable the pop-up form to collect customer email or phone number on product, shop, or cart pages. The pop-up is enabled by default. You just need to choose where it should appear or be hidden using these settings. You can select which fields to display: email, phone number, Google reCAPTCHA, and GDPR agreement. The default phone country option lets you pre-select a country code for phone input. Choose by Locate IP to automatically detect the customer's country. Show the code accordingly. If you enable phone, make sure to select Template 1 for the pop-up layout. If you turn on reCAPTCHA and GDPR, don't forget to configure your site key, secret key, and GDPR content in the fields provided. There's also an option to send a confirmation email right after the form is closed. Just note that this is a regular confirmation email, not a recovery email. All right, let's test it out. Now let's see how to recover carts using SMS. From the SMS settings, you can connect with supported providers like Twilio, Nexmo, Clevo, or Infobip. Just choose your provider, then enter the required credentials, such as the app ID, app token, from number, and bit.ly config, following the guide right under the settings. Once connected, scroll down to set up your SMS sending rules. Just like email, you can create multiple rules, each with a delay time and custom message. Finally, save to enable SMS sending for abandoned carts or orders, depending on your workflow. And that's it. Your SMS reminders are ready to go.